Can you finance equipment for a pop-up drink stand? Yes, you absolutely can, and many small equipment lenders and even some credit unions will work with you even if your pop-up drink stand is brand new, as long as you can show a solid plan and some cash flow. Here's how it actually works. Equipment financing means a lender pays for your blender, your cart, your generator, or your cold storage unit, and then you pay them back over time in small monthly payments instead of paying the full amount up front. The cool part that most people do not know is that the equipment itself acts as the collateral, which means the lender is not relying only on your credit score, they are relying on the value of the machine you are buying. This is why brand new businesses can sometimes get approved even without years of history. Another thing worth knowing is that some equipment sellers offer what is called vendor financing, meaning the company selling you the cart or the espresso machine will finance it directly, which can be faster than going through a bank. The key is proving you have a plan to make money, like a location, a permit, or even a few pre-orders lined up. One common mistake is applying for financing before you have your permits or your business license ready, which can slow down approval or even get you denied. The fix is simple: get your paperwork in order first, even if it takes an extra week. Another mistake is only shopping one lender, because rates and terms can vary a lot, sometimes by several percentage points, so comparing at least 3 offers can save you real money over time. Lastly, people often forget to ask about early payoff penalties, so always ask if paying off the loan early comes with extra fees before you sign anything. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.